So y'all, I'm gonna use this pumpkin. Of course, this is styrofoam, and we're gonna paint this. We're gonna use chalk paint. Y'all, I would go in with the green. I'm using a green on this, a real pretty green, but I don't want that orange to pop through, so we're gonna do some painting. Okay. Alright, I think that's going to work. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go in with another. Okay, this is Basil Green by Folk Art. Basil Green by Folk Art. And then we're going to use the 24 karat. Take one of these plates and put a little bit of gold here. And then this basil. I like this color. Okay, y'all, look. So I'm using this applique tonight. Look at this applique. So y'all can use this for a lot of things. Oh, no, I'm sweating. So how pretty is that? So we're going to use this applique. This is in gold. You can see the gold there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put this on. And y'all, these have a sticky 3M piece in the back here. Probably in the middle somewhere. Right. Look how pretty. Okay, so we will use a piece of Bling. Kind of like this. It's okay with me. Let's put the bow. Use a little B7000, and the only thing about this, it's gonna hit on top of that, but that's okay because I can put a little hot glue on it. Anyway, there's that little bow. Ah, thank y'all. I don't want to put hot glue because it's going to melt this. So, I can spackle that. Let's see if this will work better. I don't know. Stuck. So there's a butterfly there. Just going to stick some butterflies on here. Make that one sit. So there's that. We're going to put another butterfly on here. They don't fall off and slide off. So we have some, what this is going to be is like a base. I'm going to make like a base. Alright, so I left this, since this is styrofoam, I think I'm just going to stick all the florals right in there. I think that'll work. But while we're here, I'm going to put some rhinestones on this. So this is our picker pin. How cool is that? And then right here, this has a new little cap that goes on there. And then these twist off, and then you can replace them. So let's go with that. Again, I think I'm going to have to do some spackling right there. I don't like that gap. I didn't really realize that. Anyway, you can get a nicer pumpkin if you need to. Okay, so again, y'all can get a better pumpkin than this. This is at the Dollar Tree. And I think I'm going to go down here. So See, that was not too bad. I'm going to go right down here as well on this applique. That's how it's looking. If y'all can see it. Now you can put rhinestones all over it. I think that would look cute. That would look really pretty, y'all. So there it is. So you got some butterflies, you got an applique, you got some rhinestones on there, and really I think that would look good with a bunch of rhinestones all over it, but we won't do that tonight. But that's just the gist of what you can do with this beautiful rhinestone kit. Start off with these long things. And again, this is just like a little, I'm leaving this like a little base. I'm calling it a base. I don't know how to... It's just a loose flower, but I don't know. Alright, I'm going to have to fluff it out, play with it a little bit, but y'all, look how cute. So just use these as a little base, and really they're real easy to stick your, that's kind of sticking out. Gold is beautiful. This is the gold right here. There's your little butterfly, your appliques, and then there's that little bow right there. How cute is that? So go check those out. Mini crowns as well. That's fabulous to have those mini crowns. If you were looking at those, go check all that out.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.